Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to open and close the bracelet for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and also how to put this watch on your wrist. So let's do it. So here is my Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and this is the bracelet, and I will show you how to put this bracelet in the right position. But first, here we have a magnetic head, and you need to open this. Just put your nail finger here, okay, and grab it like this, and now it's open. I hope you see it, and this is how it looks. And here we have a little flap. Now all you need is to put this bracelet through this hole like this, and push it. I hope you see it. Okay. And now you need to close this little flap, and just push it like this, and now it's closed. And let's put the watch on my wrist. Okay, just put it in the right position, and now you need to close the bracelet like this. And as you can see, the fitting is not so well, and I will need to readjust the bracelet, so I will take it off the watch. To make it fit better, just reopen again this little flap like this, and you need to push forward or back the bracelet. In my case, I will push it a little forward like this, and now close again the flap, and let's put it back. And now it's perfect. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.